Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a button in Systeme.io. Alright, let's begin. You'll require two things. First, a Systeme.io account and a page ready to be edited. Once you are on your edited page, go to button element from your tools and simply drag and drop it into your desired location on the page. Next, click on the settings icon affiliated with the button element. This will display the button settings on the left panel of the page editor. So, exploring the settings options, you will notice 5 distinct options within the settings column for button configuration, each representing a different action. The first action is Submit Form. It is designed to capture and save the contact details of anyone who registers through the form. It simultaneously redirects them to the subsequent page in the sales funnel. Note it's possible to have multiple submit form buttons on your page, but each button must contain identical fields. All these buttons will then adhere to the same automation rules. The second possible action is Show Pop-up. It is used to display a pop-up that you've crafted within the same editor page. The third action is Open URL. It allows your button to redirect to any desired page. Simply insert the URL of the page and select if you'd like it to open in the same or a different window. The fourth action is Next Step URL is designed to take customers directly to the next stage within the sales funnel as soon as they click on the button. Last action is Download File. The Download File action encourages users to download a file that you've preset. Simply click on the cloud icon to add a file for download. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to set up a button in Systeme.io that is tailored to your specific requirements. So that's basically how you can set up a button in Systeme.io, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.